your skills don't match our requirements. How many of you have heard this time and again? Now imagine this. If chefs of the world learn cooking in actual kitchen, wouldn't running business be better by managing actual businesses? Welcome to NEXIS, a next-gen undergrad business school.
Where every day is a new experience, learning from industry leaders
and solving real-world problems.
Unlike boring classroom lectures with outdated curriculums.
So what sets NEXIS apart? Let me break it down for you. In semester 1, we apply what we learn in class by building our own e-commerce and offline channels through the first Paycheck challenge. Next, we work and strategize alongside local businesses and help them grow their revenue, creating real impact. Over here, we know that sin cos theta don't teach day-to-day operations, so we learn real operations by planning an entire event. Now imagine managing a virtual portfolio of 20 lakhs that you can invest in stocks, gold, and real estate to learn actual finance. That's so cool, right?
What if you learn all these concepts from people who live and breathe business day in and day out?
Your professors here are not people from the academia, but real entrepreneurs, industry experts, CXOs of companies, and even government officials. This experiential and hands-on learning approach will help you crack your dream job through our network of 75 plus companies.
Startup building is not a lecture here. It's a real-world experience where you actually build your own business. From Momo joints to real estate, from Tapri ki chai to quick commerce apps, every idea finds its place.
And the best ideas get a shot at funding with a startup incubation fund.
All this learning and excitement while being in one amazing campus. So get ready for an adventurous ride. From buzzing cafeterias to student-run clubs, every week here is packed with excitement.
Wondering if there's really a business school like this near you? Yes, we are bringing all of this wrapped in a bundle right here in Siliguri for you. Join NEXIS and graduate not just with a degree, but with 3 years of real experience.